In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a new Sam's Club member card to your account. To get started, head to the Sam's Club website or open the Sam's Club app on your phone. Once you're there, sign into your account using your login credentials. Make sure you're signing into the correct account, since this is where your membership details and card information will be managed. After you're signed in, go to the account section. You can usually find this in the main menu, and this area is where Sam's Club keeps your personal account settings, membership information, and digital card access. If you're doing this on the app, the layout may look slightly different from the website, but the account option should still be easy to find. Inside your account, look for the membership section, then select Manage Memberships. This is the part of your account where you can make changes related to your membership, including updating cardholder details or linking a new membership card. If you've recently received a new card or need to replace an old one, this is the correct place to continue. Next, follow the prompts to verify or update your membership information. Sam's Club may ask you to confirm your membership number, along with other basic identifying details tied to the account. This step is important because it helps ensure the new card is connected to the right membership profile. Take your time here and double check what you enter so everything matches your account correctly. Once you've entered the requested information, review all the details carefully. If everything looks right, select Save or Update to finish the process. This will apply the changes to your account and connect the new membership card if the update is successful. If the site takes a few moments to process, that's normal. So just wait for the confirmation before closing the page or app. After your account has been updated, open the Sam's Club app and go back to the account section to view your digital membership card. This is a helpful way to confirm that the new card has been added properly, and it also gives you quick access to your membership card right from your phone. If you also need a physical replacement card, you can visit the member services desk at any Sam's Club location. Be sure to bring a valid government-issued ID, and remember that the cardholder needs to be present in order to receive the new card. And that's how to add a new Sam's Club member card to your account quickly and smoothly.